Will the IRS be one of your major beneficiaries? Hi, I'm Don Chamberlin. I'm a certified financial fiduciary, which means I am legally bound to act in your best interest. Over the past 2 decades, I've helped thousands of people plan and maximize their retirement income. This channel is specifically designed for you and your retirement journey. The truth is, the best retirement income solution is a personalized one. It's designed for you and your life, nobody else's. Learn key strategies to avoid costly mistakes and secure your retirement savings. Ready to define your retirement dreams and make it happen? Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. So the question is, will your assets be passed on when you want, to whom you want, without the IRS being a main beneficiary of your assets? This is a key thing because people talk about estate planning and they say, I don't need to worry about that, or I've already got a will, I've got that taken care of. Well, let's debunk some of those myths today. If you don't have a will set up at all, you can use beneficiary designations on certain assets to avoid probate. But you're going to have some things that won't necessarily fit in there. Personal assets that are owned, sometimes a house is not going to be included. There's not an easy way to put a beneficiary designation on that. And maybe cars and other things don't get thrown into that. If you don't have a will and some of those other assets are needed, they're going to be going through probate court. And they go through it in what's called intestate. When it goes through intestate, what happens is the probate judge has to take extra care because you didn't leave a will. You didn't have any instructions to who those are supposed to go to, those assets. Who's it supposed to transfer to? Who's going to be the owner of those assets? So it's important to have a will. And then we have people that go to our classes a lot and they say, I've got a will, I've got it taken care of. Well, the will does not avoid probate court. The will is just the document that the probate judge uses to take your estate through probate court. And by the way, I am not an attorney. I would recommend that you have a licensed attorney discuss these issues with you. We have a national network at Chamberlin where we can work with any one of our clients in any state in the country and have that advice given to them. What do you do in addition to having a will? Well, you can have beneficiary designations, which most people have on their IRAs, 401ks, and life insurance policies, and if they have annuities, they can do that too. Or you can do a living trust. These things are not right for everybody, so as I say, talk to an attorney about this. What a living trust will do is put all of your assets into trust, where you or you and your spouse can both be trustees of that trust, and you, in your lifetime, you own it. When you pass away, the trust goes into effect, and those beneficiaries, which usually will be your children or other relatives, those people will then become trustees of the trust or beneficiaries of the trust, and they will own those assets and be able to take those out outside of probate court. Because what will happen is your bank, your financial institutions, anyone will say, what does your trust say? And they'll take your trust and say, oh, daughter Betty and your son Bobby are the beneficiaries. It says it in the trust, this is great. And they'll go from that. They don't have to have a probate judge tell them what to do to distribute your assets. This is just a quick primer on how to avoid getting the IRS to be your main beneficiary by paying too much in taxes, estate taxes and other things. Avoiding probate is a main part of that. If you want any more information about this, please click below to sign up for a complimentary, no-fee strategy session call to discuss more options for you and your family in the future. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you found it valuable for your journey to fulfill your retirement. Remember, your retirement dreams are closer than you think. Don't wait to build the retirement you deserve. Take action right now. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss future videos that are packed with retirement wisdom, and share this video with your friends that want to learn more about how they can maximize their retirements. I'm Don Chamberlin, your certified financial fiduciary. Until next time, take care.